I went to Tide Turner because a lot of my friends went and had transformative experiences. So I had a little bit of pressure that I should go through something. In the end, I think that what I found was very different from what I expected. I feel like I experienced really the box in which I put myself every day. The edges started to become clear. And then I've been left with the wonder of what would it be to be outside of this box. And to be honest, it's scary, but it's exciting at the same time. And I feel more alive, and there is more hope for the future than just staying in my box.